Okay, now let's go. Take it slow now. Yo, what y'all hanging in the back of the road for? Man, I'm gonna make y'all right. Let's go. All right, hit hard. There you go. All the way, boys. You.
I wrote this on the Amsterdam Canal. I rode a wave and left the ocean dry without a towel. Ghetto bastard, ain't no father to this style. Father figure, fight the devil like the golden child. They told me, Ev, you gon' smell your roses. I told them we don't smell the flowers, we just hold our noses. Walking freely, I don't go where I'm supposed to. I got my friends, got my enemies, but foes are closer. No energy, no maintenance. Somewhere in between, I call those ones acquaintances. In life, there's some things you just can't get over quietly. Making shit that's notable, but not for notoriety. My hunger never left, my ribs are touching my chest. I'm at my best, dictionary definition of fresh. A picture of E, place in pole position is me. Hit the throttle, then decide where I'm intended to be. So what the fuck? Yo, we moving on up.
We rappers is role models, we rap, we don't think. We rap, we rappers is role models, we rap, we don't think.
Hey yo, we moving on up.
We rappers is role models.
Another day, another buck, it never stops, so I never stop chasing my dream. As the world keep turning, only say what I mean.
That's a good destiny. Yeah, right. Okay. This looks like a big joint. You lick it and smoke it. I think it was two of these, and you smoked the other.
I wrote this on the first thing I could find to write it. On an envelope I never opened up inside it. I'm a writer, so my hand is guided. I don't fight it. Attract the company that I invited. It's from a higher source, and I of course am enlightening. Bringing all the thunder and the lightning. Wondering about the moves I made and all the shade I curved. It's like they don't react to actions, they relate to words. Learned my patterns and my habits, made adjustments. Just enough so I can say I trust them. I'm a drummer, so I make percussion. Never hurry, so I'm never rushing. Accept my blood, different discussion. Always into something, no stopping when I'm emptying. And always into something like Dr. Dre and MC Ren. Never at the function, they know just where I'm going to. An open book, I like to tell you what I'm going through. And yo, we moving on up.
We rappers is role models, we rap, we don't think. We rappers is role models, we rap, we don't think.
Hey yo, we moving on up.
We rappers is role models.
Another day, another buck, it never stops, so I never stop chasing my dream. As the world keep turning, always say what I mean.
What about my dreams?
City of the Angels, rescued by a man who is no angel.
And who's that?
You.
Look, I wrote this in my basement, smoking faces. Drinking this Henny straight, I don't do chasers. In many states, I still got open cases. In any case, had your shit straight when you approach a gangster. We broken places, pistol whip Lee out with broken faces. Teeth fucked up, you gon' need braces. Probably a few missing, it's gon' be spaces. I go to places where you need your toast and drove a spaceship. Your flow is basic, think you fucking with me, you smoking bass. And I've been low on patience with these rappers, yeah, I've grown impatient. The pole is blazing, I slide on niggas like stolen bases. God bless me with opportunity, they hope I waste it. I don't know why niggas be so focused on hopeless hating. Niggas ain't even relevant, me and Evan is most prevalent. The flow is heaven sent, it's evident, the most benevolent. Rocking my fashion rebel letterman. My duct tape and rope in the same trunk, I keep a shovel in. And now we moving on up.
We rappers is role models, we rap, we don't think. We rappers is role models, we rap, we don't think. We rappers is role models. We rappers is role models. We rap, we don't think. We rap, we don't think. We rap, we don't think. We rappers is role models. We rap. We rap. We don't think.
Where we going, you know, with the sound, the actual sound. And what I wanted to do was develop a sound. Again, I come from the belief, knowing who you are and having your own signature. is the most important thing to do as an artist.